Something impossible is happening in the world of cameras. While the giants like Sony, Canon, and Nikon are busy building bigger lenses and heavier bodies, a small group of engineers at DJI have been working in secret on a device that shouldn't exist. For the last 2 years, the Osmo Pocket 3 has been the undisputed king of YouTube, TikTok, and travel vlogging. It was perfect. Or so we thought. But as we stand here in 2026, a series of massive leaks, warehouse photos, and FCC filings have revealed the truth. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is not just a sequel. It is a total takeover of the professional camera market. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you think this is just another small update, you are about to be proven wrong. We are talking about a sensor leap that rivals professional cinema cameras, a battery that defies physics, and a secret Pro variant that features something never before seen on a handheld gimbal. But before we get into the beast under the hood, we have to address the ticking clock. In the United States, the window for DJI products is closing. Regulatory battles and looming bans have turned the Pocket 4 launch into a race against time. This might be the last DJI camera you are ever allowed to buy in America. And DJI knows it. That is why they have packed every single piece of forbidden technology into this one chassis. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the sensor. The Pocket 3 blew everyone away with its 1-inch sensor, but the Pocket 4 is reportedly moving to a stacked CMOS architecture. Why does that matter? It means the camera can read data twice as fast. It means 4K video at 240 frames per second. It means zero rolling shutter. Imagine filming a high-speed car chase or a hummingbird's wings and having it look as smooth as a Hollywood blockbuster. But the real magic happens when the sun goes down. Leaks suggest the Pocket 4 features an enhanced night vision mode powered by a dedicated AI coprocessor. This isn't just software brightening. This is a hardware-level shift that allows the Pocket 4 to see in the dark better than the human eye. But there is a mystery button appearing on the leaked prototypes. A small, circular toggle near the joystick that wasn't there before. What does it do? Sources from the Shenzhen production line say this is the action lock. For the first time, the gimbal isn't just for stability, it's for intelligence. This button activates a new 360-degree horizon steady mode that works even when the camera is being shaken violently. It effectively turns the Pocket 4 into an action camera without losing the cinematic blur of a gimbal. It's the GoPro killer we've been waiting for. Now, let's talk about the design, because it's radically different. While the Pocket 3 was boxy, the Pocket 4 is thinner, taller, and, believe it or not, lighter. Internal documents suggest a weight reduction of nearly 35%. By using a new carbon fiber composite for the gimbal arms. But don't let the lightweight fool you. The battery has actually grown. We are looking at a 1,545 mAh cell. In real-world testing, that's over 200 minutes of continuous 4K recording. That is 3 hours of footage on a single charge. For a travel vlogger, that is the difference between carrying 3 extra batteries or carrying none. But wait, there is a ghost in the machine. The Pocket 4 is rumored to